Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. So to do that, first, update your Instagram application. Go to your application store like Play Store and then update Instagram. Then step 2, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. So in here, you can see now the homepage of your Instagram application. Now, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then in here, locate the post containing the photo you want to delete. If you want to see your photos that you want to delete, you can scroll through your post or use the search bar at the top to find the specific post. Now, tap on the post to open it and view the photo. On the post, you will see three icons at the bottom of this post. So now, just tap the three dots at the upper right corner of the post and then tap on the delete button. A menu will appear with several options, but you're gonna choose delete button and then delete the post. And that's it. That's how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.